So, you decided to buy a new car, and you're thinking about trading in your current ride, but you have a few questions and want to ensure you have all your ducks in a row. Well, I have a few do's and don'ts when it comes time to trade in. Do be honest about your car's condition when using online appraisal tools, and don't be unrealistic about its worth, because Kelley Blue Book does not account for sentimental value. Do give your trade-in curb appeal, like cleaning up the interior and springing for a thorough wash, but don't overfix your vehicle like paying a professional for detailing services or throwing on a new set of tires, because you may not recoup those costs. Do bring any necessary documents with you needed to purchase that new vehicle, as well as any spare keys and accessories for your old ride. And don't wait to mention that you're planning to trade in your vehicle. Contrary to what some may believe, you won't get more money for it by hiding that fact. Now, these are just some general guidelines, so if you're looking for some additional advice when it comes time to trade in your vehicle, ask someone that you trust, like a friend or a family member. But for additional tips, tricks, how-tos, and online blogs, be sure to like Russ Darrow Direct on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.